Hey girls and boys, it is Mr. McAndrew. It is so good to see you. It's been a while. Very excited because we are talking about doubles, right? Doubling things like, so if you have two over here, that means you have two over here, right? To double it means it's the same amount, right? So if you have three and you double three, then you have three more. So three and three. 1 and 1 makes 2. 2 and 2 makes 4. 3 and 3 makes, well, let's just keep going, right? Okay, so you need a couple things in your math packet that your teacher should have given you. You will need this paper. It says doubles Monday, all right? And it's got all the doubles facts here. You'll see like 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2, 3 plus 3, 4 plus 4. Okay, so you need this paper and you need your cubes, your connecting cubes that look like this. You've got two different colors in your math bag and you're going to need all of them. So take those out, okay? And when you have all of that ready, then come back and we will get started. So you need to stop the video, or you can just what's called pause it. Right? You just hit this little space bar, or you hit click on the two lines. That means pause. And then the video will stop. And then when you come back, we will get started. Okay, so get your paper and get your connecting cubes, and I'll see you in a minute. All right, boys and girls. So we're going to go through and solve these problems using our connecting cubes. So the first one is 1 plus 1. So I want you to follow along with me. So whatever I'm doing, I want you to do. We'll do it together, okay? Much more fun that way. If you just watch me do it, it gets real boring. Trust me, I don't recommend it. So we'll do 1 plus 1. So we're going to do one of each color. So we have one here and one here. That gives us 1, 2. So we're going to write down 1 plus 1 equals 2. All right, you can just use your pencil or pen, whatever you have is fine. All right, now let's add 2 plus 2. So we're going to put 2 on this side. So that tower is 2. And we're going to put 2 on this side. So we've doubled 2. We have 2, and now we're going to double it. So we have 2 plus 2. So how much is 2 plus 2? How much is that? Can you show me with your fingers? Well, let's see. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 plus 2 equals 4. All right, let's keep going. Next, we're going to do 3 plus 3. So please add another one to each of your towers, like so. So we have 3 here, and I'm going to double it, so I have another 3. So when you double 3, 3 plus 3 equals how many? So we had 2, then we had 4, now we have 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's write that down. 3 plus 3 equals 6. All right. As we're doing this, boys and girls, I also want you to look for any patterns that you might notice, okay? Math is full of patterns, and they're always fun to find. Okay, let's do the next one. 4 plus 4. I think you're getting the hang of this now, right? We have 4, a tower of 4 here. So let's double it. And we've got another tower of 4, so they're equal. Okay, so if I double 4, I get 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so that's 8. So 4 plus 4 equals, let's write down 8. All right. How about you do the next one, and when you're done, come back to the video and we'll see how you did. All right, so try 5 plus 5. All right, what'd you get? Let's see what I get. Did you get 10? Because I think 5 and 5 makes 10. Let's see, 5 and 5, look, together make 10. See, if I double 5, choop, I get 10. So that's one that you should always remember, okay? 5 and 5 makes 10. We have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And you can count them. If you're not sure, if you don't believe me, you're like, Mr. McAndrew, I'm not sure about this. I don't believe you. Then you can just count yourself, and you'll see that 5 and 5 is indeed 10. Okay? All right, don't take my word for it. You should prove it for yourself. All right, let's keep going. Let's do 6 plus 6. 6 plus 6. If we double it, double 6, we get 2 6s. And what do we end up with? We end up with 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. Does anybody notice a pattern yet here with the numbers that we have? Anything? So one thing you might notice is that every time we double, we go up by 1 and double it, it goes up by 2, right? We've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So that's called skip counting. We're skip counting by 2s, which makes sense, right? Because first we just had 2, and then we had 4. We added 2 more, and then 2 more gives us 6. That was 3 plus 3. And then 2 more gives us 8. That was 4 plus 4. And then 2 more gives us 10. That was 5 plus 5. And then 2 more gives us 12. That was 6 plus 6. So what's 2 more than 12? Can you do that in your head? What's 2 more than 12? 12, 13, 14. 14. Let's see if 7 plus 7 is 14. Let's see if Mr. McAndrew's pattern, which you may have seen as well, is correct. So I'm going to add, there's 7 here, and I'm going to add 7 more. So I added 1 more cube to each tower, and I have 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Indeed, it does work. Okay? All right. So what I would like you to do is to keep adding on, and let's finish this up. Okay, so we're going to add 8 plus 8, and that gives us 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay? All right, I would like you to finish up 7, 8, 9, and 10 by yourself. Okay, keep adding them up and see what you get. When you come back, let's see if you have what I have. That means you need to stop the video, right? Pause it, and then come back when you're done. All right, I'll see you in a few minutes. Boys and girls, sorry, I made a mistake. I apologize. My paper, your paper will not have this. My paper had the 7s and 8s repeated, which is silly. So just do that. All you have to do is 9 and 10. All right, and then we're done. Okay, so do 9 and 10, and then come on back. All right, what'd you get? What'd you get? So you had 9. You had to double 9. So that would be 1 more on each of these, which would give us 9 plus 9. Did you get 18? If you count them up, you should get 18. And then 10 and 10 more is 20. And 10 more is 30. And 10 more is 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 100, yeah. Okay, so if I were to have a tower of 10 and I were to double it, looks like my head's in the way again, Mr. McAndrew. And I were to double it, I would end up with 20. I've got 10 here, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so we can write down 20. All right, okay. So let's get to our fun activity of the day. Here we go. All right, so we're going to do this one together, and then I'm going to share an activity that you can do on your own, okay? So all you need are your connecting cubes, okay? It doesn't matter what colors they are, of course. And here's how it works. I'm going to put these to the side. I'm going to take out my dice, one of my dice that goes from 0 to 10, or 1 to 10 actually, and I'm going to roll it, okay? Here we go. I got a 1. Okay, so that means I'm going to build a tower of just 1, and then I'm going to double it. And what do I get? What's 1 plus 1, boys and girls? 2. Okay, so that's how it works. All right, here we go. I'm going to roll the dice. Ooh, I got a 5. So now I want you to build a tower of 5. All right, do it with me. All right, and then you want to double it after that. And then see what we get. So we got 5 and 5 makes how much? We talked about that. All right, so here we go. 5 plus 5 more gives us 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we know that one because we can use our hands to see it, right? 5, if we double it, we get 10, okay? All right, awesome possum. Let's try another one. I'm using my dry erase sleeve, boys and girls. You can use yours too if you want. You could write it out. It's up to you. Let's do a few more, then I'll show you your independent practice. Independent means what you'll do on your own. Okay, here we go. I'm going to roll it. Oh, I got a 3. So let's build a tower of 3. And then I want you to double it. All right, if I'm going too fast, boys and girls, you can always just pause the video, okay? So I'm going to double it. I have another tower of 3. All right, does yours look like mine? Okay. So what is 3? If we double 3, what do we get? 3 plus 3 equals how much? Did you get, let's see, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 and 3 make 6. Okay, awesome. Let's do one more. Let's see if we can get a higher number. Higher number. No, not a 2. Boo, 2. 8. All right, perfect. 8, love it. All right, so build a tower of 8, please. S'il vous plaît. S'il vous plaît means please in French. All right, so we've got 8. Oh, we got to double 8, right? We have to double it because that's what we're doing this week is doubling. Good thing you can't double Mr. McAndrew, right? My goodness. Whew, no one wants to see that. All right, do I have 8? No, it doesn't look like it's the same height. So let me make sure I've got 8. Okay, so does yours, do you have 2 towers of 8? Okay, so let's see. Double 8, 8 plus 8 equals, oh, I don't remember how much 8 plus 8 is. I could look back at my paper, or I could count them, right? I have 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, so 8 plus 8 is 16. So as you do this, boys and girls, your brain will start to get pictures in its mind of what doubles look like. And we want you, me, your teachers, your parents, want you to start to be able to, like, quickly be able to know, like, oh, 8 and 8, that is 16. Bada bing, bada boom, no problem. Okay, so let's look at what you are doing for your independent work. So boys and girls, what you need for this in your packet, just turn to the page that says Monday practice, roll, build, and double. Okay, so it should say Monday on it, and it looks just like this. So take this out, and you'll need one of your dice and a pencil or a paper, and you're good to go. So come back when you have that. So here's how you play. You roll the dice just like I was doing. Okay, so I got a 5 again. Okay, but instead of building the tower, you can't build the tower if you want. We're also going to color it in. So I got 5, which means I'm going to write 5 plus 5 equals, and I'm going to color in 5 on this tower. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to color in 5 on this tower. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now notice, see this dark line here? It's hard to see on the video, but on your paper you'll see that means that's 5 right there. So I knew that was 5. Oops, wrong color. Okay? And then I add them up, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and I write down 10. If you have 2 different color crayons or markers or color pencils, it's great to use that, but you don't have to. Okay? It's fine if you don't have to. All right, I'm going to do one more to show you, and then you're going to do the rest. Okay? I'm going to roll it. I got a 2. Okay? Actually, I want to get a bigger one. Let me just show you what a bigger one. No, not 5 again. 1, 6. All right, 6 is perfect. So if I do 6, then I would color in 6 of the squares, of the rectangles, and then 6 more because I'm doubling it, and then I would see what I would get. Okay? And you can see here that 6 plus 6 equals 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. One way to think about this, boys and girls, is, look, you've got 5 here and 5 here. That's 10, 11, 12. Yeah, that's another way you could do it. You could think, oh, I've got 5, that's 10, 11, 12. Okay, so you can also use that strategy. So there's this side, and then there's this side. So you've got a total of 8 problems, 8 times to do it. All right, have fun. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.